So we hear a lot about job security these days, but the truth is, if you have a job, there is no real job security anymore. Today, job security is out. And that reminds me of a story about the importance of you having passive income. And the story goes like this. Once upon a time, there was a little village, and it was a great place to live, except for one problem. The village had no water unless if it rained. In order to solve this problem once and for all, the village elders decided to put out a bid to have water delivered to the village on a daily basis. And two people volunteered to take on the task, and the elders awarded both of them the contract. And the first of the two people who won the contract, his name was Ed. And Ed immediately ran out, bought buckets, and began running back and forth along the trail to the lake, which was about a mile away. He immediately began making money as he labored morning to dusk, hauling water back and forth from the lake to the village in his two buckets. Each morning, Ed would get up before the rest of the village, making sure that he made his way to the lake and brought back enough of water for the villagers first thing in the morning. It was hard work, but he was happy because he was making money. Now, Bill, who was the second winner of the contract, he disappeared for a while, and no one had seen him for months, which made Ed very happy since now he had no competition. Instead of buying buckets, Bill went and completed tasks. Bill had written out a business plan, created a corporation, found investors, employed people to do the work, and returned home months later with a whole construction crew. Now, within a year, Bill's team had built a large stainless steel pipeline which connected the village to the lake. And at the grand opening celebration, Bill announced that his water was cleaner than Ed's because people were complaining because Ed was going to the lake, dipping his bucket in the water, picking up so much dirt. So people were complaining that Ed's water had dirt in it. Bill also announced that he would now supply the village with water 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ed could only deliver water on the weekdays because he did not work on the weekend. Now, Bill announced that he would charge 75% less than Ed for higher quality water and more reliable source of water. And the villagers, they cheered and they ran out immediately for the faucet at the end of Bill's pipeline. And I really like this story because this story shows the power of passive income. It may start off slow, like how Bill at the beginning, Bill, he did not start making money right away, but eventually over time and with a lot of preparation, a lot of work, a lot of planning, he was able to build a faucet. And even now when Bill is asleep, people can still go to the faucet and Bill is continuing to make money. It may start off slow, but once the faucet begins to flow, and it will flow, you will be in a better position. So in this video today, I am going to show you 5 ways that you can create a passive income. However, these are not get rich quick schemes. It will require upfront work. However, it will guarantee that you can make at least $1,000 a month. And don't do any of these avenues if you're just in it for the money, because if so, you're going to be disappointed. But think about the villager. It will take time in order to build this income stream. The first thing that you can consider is starting a YouTube channel. Once you create a YouTube channel and you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can then have your channel reviewed by YouTube to make sure it complies with YouTube policies, regulations, and all of that good stuff. And if all goes well with that, you can allow YouTube to run ads on your videos. And I will say from personal experience that it will take some time for your YouTube channel to start earning you ad revenue. For some perspective, it took me about 2 years in order to begin running ads on my videos, and my YouTube channel receives about 9,000 views a month, and I only receive about $132 a month. Now, that's after hours of editing, hours of creating, hours of recording. So just want to give you perspective. So that's why I say if you're in it for the money, the time that I invest invest in this channel is way more than $132. However, I am grateful for anything that do pour in. It is possible for you to make $1,000 a month if you say your CPM is 20 per 1,000 views, which is very possible because my CPM right now is about $21. Meaning, if you reach 50,000 views in a month, you can have $1,000 each month. Secondly, you can consider drop shipping. Drop shipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources that you can do online. Most of the things that you order online today are being drop shipped, and a drop shipper serves essentially as the middleman, connecting the customer to the supplier. So in other words, when somebody orders a product online from an online store, which would be the drop shipper's website, the drop shipper then will order that product from the supplier, which may even be from Walmart or another warehouse, and have it shipped directly to the customer. And I go over in more detail about drop shipping and where you can make $180 per hour or more. And I'm going to leave that video right there in the description box below. So just say that you sell a TV for $500 and the supplier sells that TV for $350. And I just want to calculate roughly some fees that Amazon or eBay may charge. Just estimate $50 on that transaction. You can have made already $100 off of that single transaction. Just do 10 of those every single month and there's your $1,000 right there. Notice I said 10 of those a month and not even in a day, which is very possible. Thirdly, consider writing a book. Writing a book is another way to make passive income. It requires you to promote, finding avenues where you want to sell your book and find out your audience that you want to market to. But if you made a $5 profit per book and you sold 200 books per month, that would get you to your $1,000. Fourthly, you could consider renting out a room in your house, or if you have another house, rent out your house. You can rent a room in your house through websites like Airbnb. This is a great option, especially if you have extra space in your house and you don't mind the company. In addition, you can even consider renting out your entire home if you travel a lot, or whether it be for vacation or business. Renting out a room on Airbnb or any of those other websites can range between $25 and $200 per night, and that's pretty much based off of your location. So just to break it down like this, if you charge $100 a night, the only thing that you would need to do is rent out that room or the house for 10 nights out of the entire month, and you will get your $1,000. Next, you have affiliate marketing. You can join Amazon's affiliate program. The sign-up process is very easy, very straightforward, to the point, and you can share your affiliate link with people who you think that will be interested in purchasing certain products. You are then paid a commission, normally is 4 to 8% of the sales price. One of my favorite things about the Amazon affiliate program, even if someone clicks your link and they don't buy what you are recommending, you can still earn a commission if they purchase anything off of Amazon within 24 hours after clicking your link. So just to break it down to you, if you make $5 per sale and you sell 200 items every month, that's $1,000 right there. So those are 5 ways that you can make $1,000 or more every single month in passive income. Again, yes, it may require you to do work up front, but the thing is, after you turn on the faucet, that water will begin to run. And for more ways on how you can make money, check out the playlist right over there where I show you in greater detail, by the way. And also click the subscribe button right here, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.